What's up guys, I'm Marla and for this video, let's discuss our journey in robotics this semester and what you future STEM students may expect as we go in different activities like constructing an actual working robot and various components such as the servo motor, LCD, and ultrasonic sensor, and challenges that you may encounter based on our experience. Kaya tara!
What's up guys, I'm Jhulian, and let's discuss the four main components we used this semester. Firstly, the servo motor. The servo that we used was the SG90 that could only rotate max 180 degrees unlike other continuous servo motor that rotate 360 degrees. And this is the most frustrating component we encountered since it won't work even with the right wiring and code. If the servo just jitter and won't rotate, it usually lacks the power supply or the servo isn't functioning properly. We advise just to find and change the servo for a new one that worked properly, just like Anton did by finding other servo in other kits. Secondly, the second component, the I2C LCD. This was our favorite component by far. We had so much fun on working on this one because we could express our ideas through word by displaying them in the LCD, such as song or any characters we wanted. Thanks to the I2C with simplified wiring compared to normal LCDs, our learning experience has become more fun than ever. Take note that the SDA pin in the LCD will always be A4 and SCL will always be the A5 pin in the Arduino. And lastly, the ultrasonic sensor. This was such a unique component. While playing with the ultrasonic sensor, we found out that it measured distance through sound wave and calculating how long it takes to bounce back. This really piqued our interest since it was so unique. In practice, a lot of variables affected its reading, size, surface, distance. Despite that, it was still very reliable in detecting objects. Just don't get the echo and trig pin mixed up or the sensor, it won't work properly.
Good day. I'm Anton and let's talk about system thinking. As we go on in our journey, we learn naturally how to integrate different components together to make one systematic system. An example of this is the activity that we did where the ultrasonic would measure the distance between the object and the LCD will display the distance in real time. And other example if with an LED. If the ultrasonic detects something, the LED will automatically light up. The ultrasonic being the input who send the data into the Arduino, while the LED and the LCD is the output that display the data. Thanks to this activity, it gives us different ideas on how to integrate and come up with our own unique ideas, and help us understand that automation actually works. This is what makes our technology in the world. Different components work together to make something systematically and beautiful.
So guys, I am Marco and let's discuss the adventure debugging process and the learning experience that we faced this semester. The challenges that we are mostly encountered in our journey are the components not working properly. As a solution, we can only check the wirings or the code if there is something wrong. If the code and wiring are correct, we can only replace the components until we find the proper one. We also learn to troubleshoot the code when it's wrong, make our own circuit, and problem solving like in our INA where we need to come up with a creative solution for the robot to work properly. Our tips to plan carefully and think about the power, and don't be shy to use an external power source for the strong voltage like servo motor, and always remember, always be safe. Working on circuit is always use resistor for low voltage components. The idea that we find the most valuable to us is how robotics can be so much fun with friends.
Although it was very stressing, Anton and Marlo making mistakes in the wiring.
Jhulian and Marco inputting their own code.
Those mistakes become funny moments we are treasured at as a learning opportunity. We learn so much thanks to the strengths we individually have and the fulfillment when we made a system work.
To us, this will definitely help in our future as a STEM student. An advanced fellow learner was afraid to try robotics at first because of the fear of failure.
Don't be afraid.
It's normal to fail. This is where we grow as a team and as a person.
Learning the subject step by step, don't rush it. Stay patient and always have fun while learning.
Be the front line of innovation. Build the future as you see fit. Build, test, improve, and repeat. And that's not just for robotics. That's it for our video. I hope to see you soon. Bye!